Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. This is Orion's Belt, a filtered photo that I have filtered. Look at the bottom star. Always fascinates me that you see a nebulae over top of that star and you can never see the star properly. And beside it, again, this what looks like a nebulae. Have some nice and wonderful area of the surface of the moon. Well, here again, first, Orion. There we go. Look at this iron-shaped object, boat-shaped object, if you want. Obviously not a boat, but this is on the surface of the moon inside of a crater. And what I want to do is you see the white area that is around this iron-shaped form on the surface. It's an outlining on the surface. I don't see a wall outlining it, and I don't see that it's an object either. I see that it's more of an outlining. But hang on, we're going to go see beside, through different filterings, the white area that's inside of the crater. Because this crater descends and it has many levels. Like I've shown most of the craters, when you see it, you'll say, here again, there's the structuring. You see what looks like lines going through I'm not talking the top and bottom ones, that's my television set. I'm talking, there's one that goes left to right about here that you can see that line there. People aren't noticing that. Look at the frame-like symmetrical objects. You're not going to tell me that's a crater. We just saw something symmetrical on the surface. Here too, like framing on the surface. And look at this beautiful area. This is at the back of the iron-shaped object that's inside the crater. And now look at the descending levels beside it. Now it actually does look like it has more of a form and even some sides to it. But look what's beside it. So it basically looks like it's in the bottom of the ocean with a bunch of barnacles on it and just, a shipwreck, basically. And you see the blues there. Um, but on top of it, the holes, we say they're holes. It doesn't mean they're holes. It could be black or dark objects. Often shadows, we mistake shadows for, we mistake structures for shadows, but sometimes they're not. They're darker than dark, darker than shadows. This is definitely some piping or structuring with tunnelization. It's irrefutable. You can see a pipe coming downwards here, tunnel again, following downwards, another light there or spherical object, one, two, three of them. And now look here how it descends and blends together and how it interacts. Just look at the terrain. Tell me that's not incredible, seeing a surface like that. It doesn't look natural at all, and it's beautiful to see it this way, filtered so that we can see the inside. Usually this is white. The ship is not that color, it's not that white, but now we're seeing the supposed ejecta beside, and you can see very well it's not ejecta once you clarify the color. And here, um, infrared processing, filtering type, and black and white. Well, you can see it in black and white, but it's not black and white, but it's different filtering. And look at the light there or object. And look at the left inside of the white. The structures all together in circles. All there on the surface. On the right too, all like graph paper. That's what it looks like. And these are the objects that are on the edge of that supposed boat-shaped object or iron-shaped object. There are lights down there. They're symmetrical. They're dome-shaped. They're very cylindrical, very round. They look perfectly shaped. Look to the left, completely to the left, guys. Dead center left of the screen, on the edge, you can see a pipe or column or structure coming in or out or going towards a dark area on the left there. Looks like a black sort of slit at the back. And then you look downwards in the center, keep going to the right, the descending level, and this again iron-shaped object. Now here with this is to show you the difference of where that iron shape is inside the colors, warmer colors, and you see that there are individual objects, whether they be mountain peaks or structures, they are individual. So that we're not looking at a flat surface at all, and they have many colors, and it's giving back this white emanating light. And you could see amongst these spectacular anomalies on the surface of the moon, look at the trail that follows. You see the corridor that goes from these from These are the website contributors, all the way down to the four anonymous donors. Guys, we made it because of these guys. We actually raised the $9,000. We've raised $9,070, and we're going to need every cent. We're going to get a Celestron telescope, 14 inches, guys. It's going to be absolutely amazing.